Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I repurposed Christmas solar light sticks from a dollar store into hanging solar tree lights during a Christmas holiday. They were so colorful in the daytime and glowed at night. If you are interested, please check out the link Christmas hanging solar light for more detail. Normally, I was going to box up and store these solar lights until next season. But as you know, the new flu outbreak has changed everything. So I wanted to make my front yard more colorful and cheerful using these hanging lights. This time I will show you how to reuse the Christmas hanging solar lights, and I repurposed them for Easter and July 4th. I'm going to use the yellow and the green ones for Easter and paint them to resemble Easter eggs. By painting them, I will lose the solar light glow. I want to retain solar lights at night, so I only use 4 lights. Will be completely painted. The rest of the light I'm going to just spot paint so that the sunlight comes in the solar. I used to paint from whatever I have in the house, because when I came up with this idea, my area was locked down already due to the COVID-19 outbreak. I was planning to put the repurposed hanging solars back the way they were as Christmas hanging lights. I thought this was going to be a one-time project. But when I saw the finished project, I liked it a lot. I started thinking that's not bad to hang solar lights that match the season. So I intend to make separate permanent seasonal hanging solar light to reflect each holiday. I will purchase more Christmas solar sticks when they become unavailable in order to make hanging solar lights that fits each season. For the 4th of July, I pick up the blue and the red ones. I painted white lines on the red ones. I added white stars on the blue one. If you want to do what I do, Christmas solar stakes are available only during Christmas season at dollar store. These hanging decorations brought me joy like this moment. I hope people who see it feel the same way too. Please stay safe and have a wonderful summer. Thank you for watching. See ya!